Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing these duck nails. I already cut the bottom out because I wanted it to be sharper and have that moon shape. So all of them I already cut. So now I'm going to sanitize my hands and then start putting my tips on. Here we go. So I switched over. I don't know if the formula is different or the packaging just different, but the Macart foil glue I was using before is in a more updated packaging. I switched to the OG, the more older version, and it's thicker and I kind of like it better. I'm not sure if they switched the formula, but yeah, I'm going to go in with my base coat as well because you guys know when I'm done, I am popping these things off. I just want to show you guys how to do the design, give you some inspiration and some information. But yeah, I love using polygel. I don't know if I'm going to learn how to use acrylic. For now, the polygel is just it's my baby. It's easy to work with. And now that I'm starting to master my shape even more, it's just I'm in love. I have to go to a different nail school, guys. I cannot go to the same nail school that I was attending. So I'm in the process of switching nail schools. But I'm in the process of switching nail schools. So yeah, there's that. I'm realizing I never told you guys much about me. So I'll start with, okay, so my name is B. It's actually Biana, but you guys can just call me B. My name is B. I'm from the Bronx, New York. I'm an Aquarius. I am in my early 30s, but people always tell me, oh, you act so young and things like that. I think it's because I do hair and I'm around a lot of younger girls, so they just expect me to be a certain way. And it's no, I'm still very much so lit over here. I'm not an auntie. I'm not an auntie at all. I do have nieces, though. I love them. Shout out to Ava and Jade. Mwah. Aunt Titi loves you. All right. My background. My mom is Panamanian Jamaican and my dad is African American. But culturally, I identify more closely with African Americans than I do my Jamaican side. But, I'm still Jamaican. I'm still there. What else? I like cats. I like to cook. I had an apartment in Georgia. I found out that my man was DL while I was there. I have 3 brothers. I have 1 sister. Yeah, there's not much, but I don't know. I'm really goofy. I like to laugh a lot. I like to joke a lot. I don't know. Age is all in the soul. So I'm never really going to focus. I'm like Cash Doll when it comes to age, all right? Just guess. But yeah. You guys tell me in the comments when are your birthdays. Do I have any Aquarius subscribers? Aquarius gang. Well, all earth signs. Libras, Geminis, and Aquarius. Honorable mention Scorpio because my babe is a Scorpio. But yeah, don't you guys love this pink polygel? Look at the polygel. It's so pink and pretty. I think this is the rose pink from Castany. I got a little set off Amazon from Castany, the brand. And this color was in there. It's rose pink. I think is it rose pink or it's rose red. Rose red. All right, so that's the color that I'm using there, rose red. And the other colors in the set were transparent and jellyish. This was the most opaque one. So I just went ahead to use it. It started acting up, but I don't know if that was me having my mini lamp turned on too close to the nail or what. But it started to get a little grainy and be a little difficult. I don't know if I encapsulated. I don't think I encapsulated. I just used the adequate amount of whatever color I wanted to use. But yeah. I don't know what I was talking about, but I was very passionate. And I was upset. I think, let's not claim that energy. But yeah, guys. So now I'm just trying to smooth it on and make sure everything is perfect. Whenever my brush acts up, I take the base coat out immediately. For some reason, when you're using a poly gel, if your brush gets sticky for any reason, take the base coat and brush your brush. I don't know what magic it is that causes it to move the polygel. Like, I know about polygel. I know it's good for people who have nail disorders, diabetes. I know that it doesn't cause allergic reactions the same as other nail enhancements. It's odorless. I can do my nails back to back to back to back to back to back, and it won't be funky. I won't be choking. You just gotta have your dust collector, you know? I know enough about polygel. Heat spikes. How to avoid a heat spike. Oh my gosh. So you want to apply your polygel thin. Don't apply a thick layer, because if you apply your polygel too thick, think of the curing lamp as a microwave. You know when you stick bread in the microwave and it fries it? Well, not just bread, anything. You stick something in the microwave and it instantly provides a shock wave of heat that is going to make your food a different temperature. That's what the curing lamp does to your nail. So when you put on a thick layer, that thick layer is going to instantly heat up. And it's going to get so hot that it's going to heat up the uncured polygel that's underneath it. Like whatever it can't reach, it's going to make that hot too. So your nail is just going to burn. Whereas when you put the thick layer, it creates a more even space for the light to hit and fully cure everything and not burn yourself. But yeah, ladies, don't use too much polygel. Avoid the heat spikes. When you are getting a heat spike, you can remove your nail from the lamp and then stick it back in. And sometimes that works for me. Well, oftentimes that works for me. And I just try not to make my polygel too thick. I don't like when I'm out of frame, but my recording setup, I just have to get a better like overhead recording thing, because I kind of have to wrap my hand around what I'm using to record. The ghetto. But look at that shape. Look at that shape though. Look at it. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna miss me throwing up gang signs to file these nails. Bonjour. So I'm going in with a skinnier file, so I'll be able to get in closer around the side walls of my nails and just make the tips of the nails more smooth looking. It's a different grit. I know it's not as rough as my 100, 180, so it's definitely a lower grit. So guys, now I'm going in with my foil glue so I can start attempting to stick on these butterflies. This is my first time using foil glue. It was a little difficult for me. I was using my scissors. I don't have the tool that you're supposed to have, but it's all good. I've seen girls do it with their fingers, but I'm not that nice yet, so I definitely should get the tool. Whenever I got a problem with like butterflies looking patchy or anything like that, I would just select any butterfly that I wanted off of their transfer foil and then cut it out and like paste it down in the space where it was bald. When I got frustrated, I was like, you know what? I'm only using one butterfly, because it was kind of difficult, but it's like, it's because I know it's my first time using it. So that's why it was, a little difficult for me. I've tried transfer foil in the past unsuccessfully. It wouldn't even adhere, and maybe that's because I wasn't curing it right. But yeah, now I'm going to add my pearls. Totally didn't film the nail art, guys. Amateur mistake. I also want to discuss this Mia Secret gloss. Like, it's like this ultra gloss, ultra shine top coat. Oh my gosh. I am so in love with it. It makes my nails look like glass, like wet, like it's my favorite top coat. I think I want to get like even more bottles of this. Yeah. Guys, if you're still watching, drop a little green heart in the comments. I'm so happy you're watching my video for this long, because I know that I could get better. But I'm just happy to provide this footage for you guys. And here I am with my random placement as usual. These little pearls I got from Amazon. I love them. I wish I could have showed you guys the hand painted portion of the nail art, because each of the nails came out so beautiful. Like, definitely one of my favorite sets. Wait until the end when you guys get to actually see like the finished product. I love these nails. But yes, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with someone that you think will like it as well. All right? Bye-bye, guys.